Please help me welcome our next company to the stage. Let's welcome Mobiki. Mobiki, welcome.
Thank you very much. Hello, I'm Yunus from Mobiki. We have real-time location service for enterprise users. The problem is current location tracking solutions need investment and not liability for small and medium-sized large factories. Monitoring stuff is very hard. Detection risky situation, its workplace is difficult. And product tracking and security is one of the weak points. We have 20% efficiency of staff and employee efficiency. We had proof of concept with one of the largest petroleum company, Petkim. This is our application. With the proof of concept, we discovered one of the person, he leave his desk every day, half an hour before 5 p.m. That means if you have 2,000 staff, equal 20% of staff, if they do this, means daily you are losing 200 man-hours. It means monthly 6,000 man-hours. Can you imagine how we give the benefits to factories? If they use our systems, the staff will not do that. This is our solutions, Bluetooth-based location tracking systems, and this is the function of our systems. And efficiency monitoring, visitor asset tracking, personal tracking, that's it. Also, you can monitor unauthorized access and early warning systems. This is the worldwide real-time locations market size, and we would like to be 1%. We would like to get 1% of this market. Their revenue potential: Istanbul Airport, one of the biggest airports in Istanbul. We are negotiated with them 750,000 euro with our systems. Also, Turkish-Chinese telco company, they would like to buy our system and offer to their client. Petkim, as I mentioned earlier, we did proof of concept with them. So step by step, we will install our system to that factory. Farplast and Panasonic, they came to us with this. We have world-class team, hardware and software, and our hardware guy, one of the best guy in Turkey. Okay.
Thank you. Nice job.
You're welcome.
Excellent.